channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do the MONTAGEM TikTok turn, which is extremely easy to learn. But before we get started, please make sure to like this video and subscribe. And now let's get into it. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's going to be a lot easier for you guys to follow. And now let's go with the first moves. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to bring our left hand to our right shoulder like this. Both of our hands are going to be in fists. Our right hand is just going to be straight, and we're going to go like this. 1. So we're just bringing our right shoulder forward, and then we're going to go back. And we're going to do that 4 times. You're going to hear 4 beats, so you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. So you just go back and forth 4 times, and that's it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to pretend you have something in front of you, and you're going to grab it. Like that. So you're just going to grab what you have in front, and you're going to show a 4 with your right hand and then with your left hand. So you're going to go like this. 1, 1, 2. So 1, 1, 2. It's going to be really fast, but you're going to get it because you're going to just hear the music. So once again, from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then grab 1, 2. And then once you have the 4s here, you're going to cross your arms and you're going to do a small circle, and you're going to bring them up to you, and you're going to be pointing towards you. So you have the 4s, you cross them, your hands go down and up. Once again, 4s, cross, up. So from the beginning, it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, after this, you're going to cross your arms over here. So you're just gonna put them like in front of you, and then you're gonna uncross. So 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. That's it. And then what you're gonna do is first your right hand, you're gonna punch forward, and then you're gonna punch with your left hand like that. So 1, 2. You don't have to actually punch. You're not gonna like put a lot of strength into it. No, you're just gonna go 1, 2. Okay? And then after that, you're going to do like this with your right hand. So you're just going to pretend you're throwing something up. Like that. So 1, 2, 3. Okay? Once again. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So this actually might look hard or anything, but it's actually really easy. You're just going to do the same thing you did before here. That's where your hands are going to be. So hand goes up, and then you bring it down to that position. And you're going to do like 4 bounces. So you're going to put all of your weight onto your left leg, and you're going to bend, then go up, then bend, and go up 4 times. Okay? So from the beginning, once again, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, grab, 4s, cross, up, 1, 2, and then 1, 2, throw, and then grab. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're going to do the same thing again. But instead of having your hands here, you're going to do this motion. So you're just going to like pretend you're driving something, when you have your hands on a steering wheel, but instead of going like this, you're going to go down like that. But you're going to do the same movement, like the same thing you did, but instead of having your hands here, they're going to go down slowly. And you're going to do again 4 bounces like that. And that's it. That is the whole dance. So we're going to be doing it from the beginning twice. First we're going to go slow and then fast, and we're done. So first let's do it slow. Okay, so first up, 1, 2, 3, 4, then grab, 4s, cross, up, cross, uncross, 1, 2, throw, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it, and now we're going to do the same thing but faster. Okay, so let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, grab, 4s, cross, up, 1, 2, 1, 2, throw, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. That's the whole dance. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!